Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We are making a special roll. Even I don't know what the roll's called. I just see
Yeah,
some
I have no
ingredients.
idea too. So, but I'm gonna put those, these three ingredients together.
Okay, let's talk about it. What do we have here?
The first thing is this fish, like silver. How they call it? Is it in English? We call managatsuo with the sea urchin, uni here,
Okay.
and the dragon fruits, and then oba.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it together.
I know you have something in your mind. You said you're not sure if it's going to come out good.
But I don't know how the taste is going to be.
Okay.
So let's check.
Let's try it out.
Right. Okay, then I want to cut into the very thin. Okay. So, uni.
Take a look at this roll here. Beautiful colors.
No name roll.
No name, and all the colors are natural. Look at the flowers. Dragon fruit gives you really a hot pink color, and the flowers itself is just a really beautiful contrast. And inside, delicious uni and that special fish.
Maybe this is without the fries. Maybe
Silver pomfret.
maybe good too. The ikura is already nice color, you know.
Oh yeah, take a look inside there too.
So maybe flour is a little bit too much, but so I have a flour. So
Enjoy. Can't wait to try. Here's on.
Thank you
Thank you so
very
much.
much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us if you try this roll. And I know I would. And I can't wait. Here, thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. See you next time.
See you. Here's on. Now to the best part.
Yes.
Tasting. Enjoy. All right. Take a look at that beautiful cross section. Wow. Delicious. I can imagine. It's like that when you sandwich them between the fish.
Right.
Oh yeah.
You have to try.
Have to try it. All right. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's really good.
Little
First, I
different.
taste the oba, yeah.
Dragon fruits doesn't have much.
Yeah, I don't have much taste of it. Yeah.
taste, so
Maybe
you know,
a very, very slight hint.
so just for decoration.
Uni and the uni. I taste the uni and the oba. Really, really good. Really refreshing because of the oba. And the fish is just smooth. Really, really good. Delicious, Hiro. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Looks like a sesame seed, right?
Oh yeah, it does. We'll see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.